Here we are on location, Farmington Pond Park. I hope this is in frame, guys. Guess we'll see. So yesterday we did a shakedown run of the HPI RS4 MT electric, and it was a success, and it was fun and fast and good. Now, don't ruin the paint, Dave. I did go in and do the front diff and added some 400 to that, so it should perform pretty well. Let's fire it up. Inner body. Hopefully this is in frame. I think it will be. We'll see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, that front diff loves it. Look at that. I got a little dirt over here if I want to get it dirty. Oh boy. Yeah, baby. Can you guys see that? From some cars. Very cool, man. Which way is it pulling? Oh man, this thing's fun. Come some cars, I don't know what they're doing, going down that way, I guess. Dude, yeah. I got my dog here. Cars coming. Lots of cars coming. What in the freaking hell is going on? Just kidding. How dare people be around? Right? There's some stuff, there's some trails. I don't know. I'm just still kind of testing this thing. I don't want to bash it, but dude, freaking cool, dude. This is a vintage HPI RS4 MT 1998. First kit released, not the first kit, just first kit release. Procured off eBay, put some love into it, rebuilt the shocks. Well, not a full rebuild, just fluid in the shocks, fluid in the front diff and rear diff, sorted the pulley and the tensioner, sorted the electronics, modern electronics, 4350 kV, 60 amps. It's perfect for this. And a pinion gear. Came with a 23 tooth, threw a 26 tooth in there, so just geared up a little, and it's perfect. Come here, Bear. Bear, come here. You see if it goes in the grass? Man, I hope this is in frame, because if you guys see what I'm seeing, this thing's badass, actually. Freaking love it. Yeah, I don't know why it's pulling. Obviously, the HPI RS4 thing hates to center. The steering racks could have had some better engineering from the factory. You got to go in and you got to do the aluminum stuff and get all the tolerances super tight, and then you don't have the centering, the non-centering issue. If I were gonna go in and do that, I would do my RS4 touring car first, the Pro too. Or is it a Pro? Just a Pro, I guess. I would do that rack before I did anything else, because it is a mess. I mean, this thing at least goes straight. Doesn't straighten out great, but it goes straight. My RS4 Pro does not center at all. So I say we go in there, we get the aluminum parts, we get that all sorted and have some fun with that thing this year. I could strip that down, clean it up while I'm in there. It's not been rebuilt in a long time, actually. Probably needs it. And it would be all the better for it. It would drive so nice. I've got some kick-ass electronics in that thing, and it's fast as hell. Oh, just can't drive it very good because it won't center. Oh man, this thing is fun. Look at that. Oh man. Yeah. Fun. Wow. Yeah. Let's see how we're doing on wheel spin. Yeah. Dude, this thing's kind of impressing me, you guys. It took some love and it took some work. I had to tear it down twice. Like I said yesterday, cross pin blowout, catastrophic failure of the tensioner, the cross pin in the pulley, that is. I had a blowout after I got the tensioner sorted. That happened, so I had to tear it down again. I wasn't sure what it was, so I took it down, took out the rear diff, checked it, ended up putting fluid in it. Decided that the front needed to be done as well, so I did that. And now, this is what you get. It's fun, it's quick. The freaking handle's good. It's easy to drive. It drifts nice. It's just be kind of easy on the throttle, feather a little. I mean, I'm not, you know what I mean? And yesterday when I felt the motor, you know, 60 amps on 4350 kV and only a 50C 2S pack. I mean, it wasn't even hot, okay? It wasn't even hot. Not even a big deal, honestly. I was shopping for wheels last night. I want to get the HPI 5-spokes, but they're kind of hard to find all four rears. You know, this is four-wheel drive MT, so you got to have hex on all four. And I don't know why there's so many fronts available out there. Lots of fronts. You know, you can do the adaptation kits, but I kind of was trying not to. I didn't want the extra weight and mass and all that. You can do the adapter kits, but I don't want to. I want to find four rears. Nice guy giving me the peace sign. What's up? So, I don't know, dude. New wheels and tires, 5-spokes, new body, custom paint job. That's kind of what I'm thinking about. So there's still more stuff I could do to this. And that'd be fun. I hope the belts hold up. I really do. I hope the belts hold up. There's some horses over there. It is a nice day. How to get outside. I think I'm gonna go for a bike ride too here in a bit. You come right here in the same spot. The mountain bike trails are just to the south over there on the bench and the shoulder of the canyon, called the farm. Nice riding. Oh, there's a bunch of videos of it on my playlist called On Two Wheels. Mountain biking runs and Sur-Ron runs through there. So, kind of fun. Ride up here a lot. This is Utah. We're into mountain biking, skiing. Uh-oh. Whoa. What's going on? Just kind of silty. Is that camber a little? Yeah, just a little silty. Dude, this thing is sick, you guys. It's freaking sick. It's fun as shit, man. Uh-oh. Car. All right, well, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys the follow-up vid, run 2, after sorting the HPI RS4 MT 1998 vintage. This pack is a little worn, you know, you get all that pep for the first 5 minutes, and now it's just, you can feel it being kind of weak. It's just a cheap pack. Packs are expensive, you know, and you gotta have 2S, 3S, you know. I'm about to get into some 4S action, maybe 6S. We'll see what happens. I've got my eye on the Arma Creighton 6S BLX. They're expensive though, man. You know, and that's why I like vintage. They're fun to sort. They're a lot cheaper. But, you know, there's a nostalgia factor, of course, but I don't know, there's something about them because they're not so crazy fast and high tech that, you know, they're kind of machines. That's kind of the charm of them. And so, oh yeah, it's starting to, I wonder if it's hot. Should we feel it? I can't really feel it from there. So there you go. Donatello's Workshop, the HPI RS4 MT. Hey Bear, is that fun? Thanks for joining me, thanks for coming. Check you guys later.